Hi guys! First of all, I just want to congratulate yung mga nag-tail sa atin o sumunod sa mga pick natin at dalawang sunod ngayon parehas tagos yung mga plays natin. No? So isang 4-2 at isang 3-1. Ito nga yung mga yon. Yan yung una. Tapos ito naman yung isa din. No? So meron nga tayong apat na laro ngayon sa NBA at bago ko simulan to, sabihin ko lang ulit, this is not a financial advice, but this content is made for entertainment purposes only. So, kung gusto mong sumunod o kontrahin yung mga picks ko, libreng-libre gawin lahat ng mga bagay na yan. At yun nga pala yung page natin no, sa Facebook, Papaldo, no, kung gusto nyo doon sumunod. O pwede rin naman dito kung gusto nyo. So, unang laban, New York Knicks versus Indiana Pacers. Why did I pick New York Knicks here? New York Knicks love to attack inside. And then, itong Indiana Pacers, they're really good at defending 3-point area o yung 3-point line. But the thing is, like, napakahina nila pagdating sa loob. And as far as I remember, hindi pa lalaro ngayon si Zubac na galing lang sa trade, no? I think able tong New York Knicks na i-cover tong -12 at I think magiging blowout tong laban na to dahil nakailang panalo na rin tong New York Knicks na medyo komportable yung kalamangan nila no against Boston. Natalo nga lang sila sa Detroit but mostly pag ganito yung spread S na ko-cover nila. Next game naman natin, Clippers versus Houston Rockets. Itong Houston Rockets, I know, kakapanalo lang nila sa OKC pagtas ng mga losing streak nila. Ito namang Los Angeles Clippers ni Kawhi, they've been very competitive at napakadikit ng mga laro na napagdaanan nila. Nanalo din sila sa Minnesota, kinuha natin yung Clippers that time. But this one, I think it's gonna be a different story kasi masyadong malakas itong depensa ng Houston Rockets kapag kompleto sila. That's why I'm leaning Houston Rockets -7.5 here. I think better personnel itong Houston Rockets and then they are healthy. They do have Sengun, Smith, Thompson, Reed, saka si KD pa nga no. So I think it's going to be a blowout too. That's why I'm taking -7.5 here. Nakuha ko to ng -7. Next game natin, Dallas Mavericks versus Phoenix Suns. Kung sumusunod ka nga sa akin sa Facebook, alam mo na itong Dallas Mavericks, paborito natin tong talpakan tuwing nasa home court sila. But this time, they are away. So, tingin ko itong -8.5. Personal wise, Phoenix Suns, masyadong malakas yung depensa nila. They can slow down the game if they really want to. And then, balik na si Booker sa action. Meron pang Jalen Green. I think, masyadong ma-overwhelm tong Dallas dito sa Phoenix Suns. The only thing na pwede silang dumikit dito is kung may magandang laro si Naji Marshall at kung maganda rin yung laro na ipapakita sa atin ni Cooper Plug, which is maganda naman na talaga yung nilalaro niya, no? Pero tingin ko it's gonna be Phoenix here. I think this line is short. Nakuha ko to ng -7.5 kanina but I think 8.5 still a safe bet. I'm not saying na malaki yung chance but I think better personnel, better defense, home Phoenix Suns. I know, they lose to Philadelphia 76ers saka Golden State Warriors. At tingin ko ngayong araw, Phoenix Suns spot to. Ito namang San Antonio Spurs versus Los Angeles Lakers. Unfortunately, nakuha ko na yung Los Angeles Lakers bago pa ilabas yung mga injury report. And I think Austin Reeves, he's not going to play today. And home nila, I love playing this Los Angeles Lakers whenever Austin Reeves is playing kasi pakiramdam ko mas smooth yung galaw ng opensa nila pag nasa loob si Austin Reeves. And I think Luka Doncic is not going to play today too. Magiging mahirap tong laro na to for Los Angeles Lakers but I'm hoping kasi nakuha ko na ng +7.5 tong Los Angeles Lakers na makakadikit sila through LeBron James. Alam ko mahirap dahil wala siyang ganong inaasahan sa mga kampi niya ngayon. And they're not playing dun sa punto na performance sa pinapakita nila, hindi yon yung expected na trend from Los Angeles Lakers. Itong Spurs naman, napakalakas din na team nito. They just won, I think, 5 games. 2 doon Dallas yung tinalo nila. And tinalo din nila yung OKC. But this time, I think, kaya ako kinuha tong Lakers, I just thought that Austin Reeves going to play. But suddenly, I think they are planning to rest him today. So yun lang. So recap ko lang yung mga bet natin today. I went New York Knicks minus 11.5 or minus 12.5. Kinuha ko din yung Houston Rockets sa minus 7.5. Then Phoenix Suns at minus 7.5. Then Los Angeles Lakers sa plus 7.5. And kung gusto nyo kontrahin yan, gusto nyo sundan, libre gawin yung mga bagay na yan. And good luck sa magiging talpak nyo today guys.